Welcome to Echo English Vibes, where we transform how you experience movies and master the English language through very effective methods. Have you ever turned off the subtitles while watching an English movie, only to feel completely lost after just 30 seconds? That does not mean your English is bad. The problem is that you let eyes work while ears remain untrained today. In this video, you will discover a simple method that turns every movie scene into an effective listening and speaking session. Many people believe they are good at listening because they watch movies with subtitles. But in reality, you are just reading. Subtitles help you understand the story. But if you rely on them, your ears will never learn to recognize native speed. Remember this. Subtitles are a bridge to help you cross. They are not a home to live in forever. Be careful. If you are still relying on subtitles, comment bridge, not home, and start making a significant change in your life today. But if speaking speed is not the real reason you struggle to understand English movies, then what is the actual problem? When you read the dialogue on screen, everything looks clear, but actors make words blend together, and weak sounds often disappear. That is why your goal should not be understanding every single word. Instead, focus on hearing the rhythm and catching phrases. Don't memorize isolated words. Instead, steal phrases you can immediately use in real conversations to improve your own speaking style daily. Tonight, try memorizing 3 useful lines from the movie you watch. This simple action will boost your confidence in speaking English. So, how can you practice with movies without feeling overwhelmed? Just focus on a short scene about 1 to 3 minutes. Here is the process. First, watch with subtitles. Second, watch with English text. Third, watch with no subtitles, to train ears. First, watch. Turn on subtitles to understand the story. This gives you the context needed to follow the scene very easily. Second, watch. Use English subtitles to connect the sounds with the written words. This is essential for your brain to learn. Third, watch. Turn the subtitles off and let your ears do the work. This is where real progress happens for you. The goal is not to understand 100%. The goal is to understand more than you did the last time. Today, try the 3-watch method with one short movie scene and share your results in the comment section below now. But listening alone still is not enough to turn English into a natural reflex. You must speak out loud every day. Once you have understood a line from the movie, repeat it after the actor using shadowing and imitate the natural intonation. Then change the sentence to fit your own life. Making the language your own is the secret to becoming truly fluent. For example, can you give me a second? Can you give me a minute? Can you give me more time right now? The moment you turn movie lines into your own sentences, English starts becoming a natural speaking habit for your daily life. After this video, choose 3 useful expressions and create your own sentences with them to master the vocabulary you just learned. Finally, let us turn everything you have learned into a simple daily habit that will lead you to success in English. Just 20 minutes a day can build real listening reflexes. You do not need to watch more movies to learn better. You simply need one short movie scene, 3 watches, 3 useful expressions, and 1 minute to retell the scene in English. Keep doing this for about 30 days. And you will notice that you panic less when listening to native speakers talk. You will recognize more common phrases, rely less on subtitles, and respond with more confidence when speaking with others in English. Progress does not come from watching more. It comes from practicing the right way and staying consistent with your daily goals. Take the 24-hour challenge. 1 movie scene, 3 watches, 3 useful expressions, and 1 minute of speaking starting today. If this video has changed the way you learn English, don't forget to support the channel and subscribe now. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next real-life listening and speaking practice videos on the channel. And always remember, don't just watch English, practice English, because active engagement is the only way to achieve true language fluency. With just 1 movie scene, 3 watches, 3 useful expressions, and 1 minute of speaking every day, you will gradually transform. You will transform English from words on a subtitle screen into a real communication skill you can use in everyday life. Every small step you take today builds the foundation for your future success in mastering English through these simple movie techniques. Choose the movies you truly love to ensure that your learning process remains fun, engaging, and highly effective for your brain. Recording your own voice is a powerful tool to hear how much you have improved since you started this practice routine. Connecting new vocabulary to real-life situations helps your memory retain information much longer than just reading from a textbook alone. The diversity of language used in movies provides you with a rich environment to learn how people actually speak in reality. Enjoying your learning process makes it much easier to stay consistent and reach your goals without feeling stressed or pressured daily. Your brain is designed to learn languages through context and emotion, which is exactly why movies are the perfect learning tool. Training your ears to hear the subtle nuances in speech will give you a significant advantage when communicating with native speakers. Keeping a journal of the expressions you have mastered will help you track your progress and stay motivated every single day. You will soon find yourself using these phrases in your own conversations without even thinking about the grammatical rules behind them. Building a chain of useful phrases allows you to express your thoughts more clearly and confidently in any English-speaking environment. Focus and dedication are the two pillars that will support your journey to becoming a fluent and confident English language speaker. Celebrate every small victory you achieve, because each one brings you closer to the fluency you have always dreamed of having. Sharing your experience with others can help you stay accountable and inspire those around you to start their own learning journey. Every new day is a fresh opportunity to improve your listening and speaking skills through the power of movies and practice. You can practice anywhere and anytime, making it easy to fit these 20 minutes of learning into your busy daily schedule. Your confidence will grow as you see yourself understanding more and more of what is being said in your favorite movies. Understanding humor and emotion in movies is a great sign that you are on the right track to true English fluency. Learning through experience is far superior to rote memorization, as it allows your brain to truly internalize the language you hear. Reflecting on your own speech patterns is a critical step in refining your accent and sounding more like a native speaker. Patience is a virtue in language learning, so keep moving forward and trust the process even when you face some challenges. The world is waiting for you to communicate, so keep practicing until you feel completely confident in your own English voice. You can even involve your friends or family in your practice, making it a fun and social activity for your group. Your progress will be visible to everyone around you once you start applying these simple techniques to your daily language practice. Imagine yourself speaking with total confidence in your professional or personal life, all because you started practicing with movie scenes today. Leave the old methods behind and embrace the exciting new way of learning English through the magic of cinema and audio. Remember the steps: watch, listen, repeat, and transform your English into a skill that opens doors to many new opportunities now. It has been a pleasure guiding you through this method, and I look forward to seeing your amazing progress very soon indeed. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video here on our channel, Echo English Vibes Today.